Welcome friend to our channel SRRP Project. Today we are sharing details of magnetic V block. You can see there is lots of information available about magnetic V block. Please watch this video till end and subscribe this channel. There is mention description about magnetic V block. You can read, you can understand where it will be used. It is magnetic dial cage stand. It will be also use mechanism toolkits. I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel to get more information about SRRP projects. SRRP projects, one of the leading manufacturer of magnetic V block and different kind of machines and tools. Company details will be available on description column. You can go and get the details.